Plants. Today we are going to learn about plants, their parts, what the food we get from them, and how many kinds of plants and uses of them. So let's start. Plants are living organisms. They give us food. Just like us, plants have also different body parts. Let's know about their parts. Roots. Roots are under the ground. They hold a plant. Roots absorb water and minerals from the ground, which are carried through stem to reach leaves. These are used by leaves to prepare plants' food. Stem. Stem grows above the ground. It helps the plants hold erect. Branches, leaves, flower and fruit grow on stem. Leaves. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They help the plant to prepare food using air, water, minerals and sunlight. Leaves of the plant are usually green in color. Different plants have different leaves of different shapes of leaves, like this one. Some are like saw. There are many types of leaves. Some are round, some are long, some are triangular and some are short. Their margins are also very different from each other. Some are uneven and some are like saw. Flowers. Flowers are the colorful part of the plant. Many flowers have a sweet scent. Most flowers have a sweet jewel called nectar. Fruit. Fruit are the fleshy part of the plant. Different plants have different kinds of fruits. We eat many kinds of fruits. Seed. Some fruits have seed in them. The seed grow into a new plant when they receive air, water and warmth. Types of plant. Plants can be many types. A big and a tall plant is called a tree. It has a strong and a thick stem called the trunk. Trees have many branches too. Trees can live for many years. For one example of tree is a mango tree. Shrubs are much smaller than trees. They have thin and woody stems. Their branches grow closer to the ground. Herbs are very small plants. They have weak stem and mostly green and soft stems. Herbs do not grow very tall. The leaves of some herbs are used as spices and medicines. Climbers have weak stem. They cannot stand erect. They need support to grow. An example of herb is tulsi herb, and an example of climber is a grapevine. Creeper have weak stem and grow along the ground. An example of creeper is pumpkin creeper. Many plants grow in or under water. These are called aquatic plants, like lotus and water lily. Uses of plants. We depend on plants for many things. Plants make our air fresh and healthy. That's why the more plants we have around us, the more healthier our surroundings are. Plants also help in bringing rain. Most or all parts of plant are used by us. We get most of our food from plants. We eat different parts of plant as food, like flowers, broccoli and cauliflower leaves, spinach and cabbage, stem, potato and sugarcane. Some children will say that potato is a stem. No, potato is a root. No, it's not root. If you see it properly, so you will see small roots of the potato. There are many eyes of the potato. Their first were roots. In roots we eat radish and carrot. In seeds we eat corns and peas. We get wood from the plants. Wood is used to prepare paper, furniture, houses, and can be other things. Sometimes wood is used as fuel. Rubber comes from rubber plant. Rubber is used to make tires of vehicles. We also make many different kinds of medicines from plants. Thread for cloths is obtained from many plants. We get cotton thread from cotton plants. We make perfumes from flowers that smell sweet. We get oil from plants. We use oil for cooking. Plants are home to many birds and insects and animals. Can you think what would happen if did not have any plants around us? In spite of this, every day trees and forests are cut and made to make rooms for many houses, factories or buildings. This is not good. We must protect plants. Thank you for watching.